Hi y'all, this is Kimberly here. Today we're gonna be unboxing this Bauer Saw Stand from Harbor Freight. The reason why I got it is because I got me Miter Saw. I got the one from Ryobi. I was gonna get the one from Harbor Freight, but they didn't have the Hercules one that I wanted. Um, at the store there, I would have had to drive all the way to like another city, which is like 30 miles from where I live. And with the truck I got, no, that's not happening. That baby drinks too much gas. So um, I ordered one from the Home Depot and they'll have it shipped to me. That's the Miter Saw. So, and I actually, I'm okay with Ryobi brand. I don't know much about Harbor Freight saws nor tools. I've never really used anything much from them. I'm new to that store. So, but most of my stuff had been from Home Depot or Lowe's. So, I have this saw here that I usually use to build stuff around the house here and to do remodeling on my properties. But this, I have a hard time going through 4x4s with this. So, which this is a really good saw. I also have a Ryobi saw, but that is here is much smaller and that could barely even go through 2x4s. But it's a really good saw still. Um, it's a battery saw. This one is um, like this. Uh, so when I owned my handyman business, I used to use this one here, and I still use it sometime when, you know. But I want a bigger saw, one that can go through 4x4s and 6x6 and 4x6 and 2x6 very easily. So I ordered one um, from Home Depot, and I didn't order a stand from there because it was too expensive. So I went and checked at Harbor Freight. They had one for $50. It was like for $79. I think I don't even know what the brand is. It's the cheapest brand they have there, but it's junk. It's like pieces of hollow metal. Um, it's really bad. It's small. It's very small, and I mean, I don't even know if you'll hold this saw up. So I got this one here, which was the price up. I went to check out Lowe's, but Lowe's, the only saw that they have is not even at that Lowe's. It's also at the other city the bigger city from where I live. I live more in the country. So I ended up going back to Harbor Freight and picked this one up because this one seems strong enough to hold the saw and 4x4s, and and, and as if it'll last a long time. So we'll unbox this right now and I'll be quiet. um, okay. All right. So first we need to get a knife or something. And we'll unbox this. I'll go very fast, so try to keep up. I'm kind of fast at doing stuff. All right. So there we go. I'm trying to let you see it, but I will be putting it down for a second right now. All right, here we go, you guys. All right, we go. So basically, we got a stand. I'll put that over there so the place don't get too junky. And some screws. Connect up everything. Let me see what kind it needs. You will need to have, well, most of this stuff is just bolts and flathead screws. I don't know if you can see this. The light in here is not that great, but see if this a little closer without dropping that camera. Okay, that won't work. Here we go, you guys. Here we go, here we go. All right. A little bit closer to the light. Or to the whatever. All right, here we go. All right, you guys. All right, so this is to put the saw on. The saw itself on. To fasten the saw. So we won't bother with that right now. I'll put it on later. And then we have this. This thing back. I already broke the packages up. All right, so here we got this stand, you guys. And I guess this opens up like this. Uh-oh. Here it comes with these wheels too. But I plan on trading these out. I have bigger wheels and hoping it'll work with these ones. See that? I plan on trading these ones with these ones. I hope it will work. It might not work because these are much wider. Okay. Okay. I don't know what stuff be stuffed up in there. So basically, you open it like that. Oh, that's easy. That's easy, you guys. It's easy to assemble. Just press a button on it. Open the legs. Okay. Put that thing back in there. Press that button. But I gotta get this one first. Press this button. Like this. Open the leg. Press this button. A little fly in there. Yep, that's a little fly right there. Okay, let's see. All right, I see what's the problem. I pressed it in too wide, so you might want to keep an eye on that one. Somehow. Yeah, that's a little... All right, there we go. So one person can assemble it. You don't need to have another person because I'm here by myself. I just have the camera up on one of my yard tools, my yard equipment. All right, there we go. Yeah. Okay. Hey. All right. So this goes like that. This goes like that, and somewhere in here there's a. And this goes like. See, I saw how they did this one at the Home Depot place there. Goes like that. Yeah. Supposed to press it right here. This one isn't the one like they have at Lowe's. At Lowe's. There we go. I think I broke it. All right. So you tighten that up there, and that's what the saw goes on. And these here goes in here. Right? Right, y'all? You gotta tell me. Might be turned this way or the other. And this one goes up here got these. And I want to figure out the wheels. That's what I want to know. Because if you can buy one of these and get a bigger wheel on there, that would be amazing. You could move it easily. And here we go. And basically that's about it. We just gotta screw down everything. I don't see anything to screw down really. It's almost like all set up. There. Oh, you might have to fasten stuff down. Like this here, see? I guess that's what these are for. There. See that? That might be it. That's for that. Sorry about the lighting in here. I gotta get some shop light, but I'm waiting for them to go on sale. There we go. See that? Fits in quite fine. I know I'm not using the manual. But that's how I put things together by figuring out. I'll use the manual when I get stuck. Okay. So that's 2 down. And we still got 2 more in here to go. That one goes in here. I think most of that screw and stuff, I think most of that is for, oh look, see, this is how you take that out. Tighten that like that. Loose it like this. Wait a minute. Loose it like this. Like this. You push it in. Then you put it like that. Turn it that way. Press it down. Tighten it. There. I love that. That's great. That's easy. And here, we already tightened this stuff here. So most of that screw is just to put the wheel on the handle on. And here's the handle. I'm not worried about that right now. Here's the stuff for the wheel. Which basically goes on this side, I guess. Ta-da! It goes on this side. There goes the wheel right there. And then this one goes on this side. And then these are the screws that go to it. Usually there's one washer in the inside and one then the nut. So it's pretty easy to set up, you guys. Because the most important part of it is right here. These little other ones here, I bet these goes right on the end here. There we go. And this other one basically goes on this other end with a washer. Unless this washer goes on here. I think that goes on there. There we go. A little washer and then the screw. So, nah, that don't go on there. That's too tight. So, there it goes again. So, there you go, you guys. Pretty easy and straightforward to set up. Ta-da! I think some washer goes on this thing though. But I didn't see any in the bag, so I guess not. So that goes like that. No, that don't turn this way. It turns this way. Because it has to match up with that one. So there we go. One there. And there we go, you guys. reveal. I don't know, this one's kind of stiff, but it's alright. It's not that bad. Maybe one of these little ones go in the end. Now they're all the same. And later on, I'll figure out where these goes. These might actually go onto one of these, like this one. Yep. So that's trash. That goes on the wheels. That goes with that. And the manual. Here's some more. The handle pieces for the handle. And there's the wheels. Alright, that's going in the garage or somewhere in case 90 days and I gotta take it back. But it seems fine. I don't think I'll have to take it back. I might try to get some different wheels though. Alright, because I don't like these. These are small. They're not bad. They're strong. Really good. But not for my yard. Might not be for your yard either. So, and then this one is not gonna fit. Because you might need a washer. Might be able to fit, but it'll need a washer. See. There we go. Need to get a screw in there. And it might actually work. Gotta get a screw in there. And another washer. I think I got some washer. Alright. I have some washers in here. See if one of these can work on it. And then I get to add this big wheel. It's gonna be too small. It's gonna be not big enough. Yep, I found one. I only got one though. I'm gonna need to go to the hardware store and get some more washers. And then I gotta add one of their screws, which is here. And here we go, you guys. I don't know if you can see this. I should have did it on the other side. But I add my own wheel onto it. I need a nut wrench, one of those. I don't need that. Nothing in here. So that's it, you guys. That's it. That's all that came. The assembly for the arm goes right here. Like that. See if I can let you see it. Basically, I think these are the screws for that one. Unless it's these ones. I think it's these ones. There's 2 screws and 2 arms. And I guess you'll see why I was a handyman now. I just find the pieces and put them together. There we go. They're not tightened. I gotta tighten up everything. That one doesn't go there. It's too loose. Unless it needs some kind of screw from this point where one screw is too loose and one is too tight. Hey, Storm. Yep. So I'll give you a quick look at this thing. See if I can lift it up without it falling, pieces falling off. There we go. It's heavy. Oh boy, it's heavy. It's good that it's heavy. That means you can handle a heavy miter saw. Miter saw. All right, you guys. So that's it. I'll get the camera so you can see it better. So, okay, here's my thought on it. I think it is strong and well built. I think it could handle a very heavy load. I'll put one of the boards on there and let you see. See if you can see it. I'll put one of the 2x4s so you can see. So there we go. You got a board on there. It's first board. And there we go, you guys. And this can rise up too if you need to raise this up higher. This can go up like that. So if you're deciding on buying this, I think it's a great idea. This here doesn't hold as tight. Doesn't hold as tight right here. I guess that's where you gotta figure out what to put in there. So you gotta figure out that part. So basically, yeah, so these can come up, and this is just the feet for it. Maybe this was supposed to be on that side. Yeah. This was supposed to be on that side, and that was supposed to be on this side. So I got it turned wrong because the legs are on that side and the hands, arm is on this side. That's probably why it had a little time tightening that. What I would wish though, and I might put holes in these, that there were different little holes that this can go into so that it can get in there and lock itself in there. See, on these, there is no holes, no way for it to stay inside of here. So, I don't know. I'm gonna put holes in there so it could lock itself in there. Because this is not gonna stay. I think it was supposed to come with holes. See, this is not gonna stay in here. It needs to have holes. It stays, but it's not. It stays. Well, it does stay. It works. I guess it's supposed to be like that. Where this here holds on to the ends here. I don't know, you can't see this now. So, yeah. So I'm thinking it's one of these ones that's supposed to be in there, like this one. Maybe some of them are bigger than, I don't think so. I don't know why it doesn't hold well in here. Might be a little defect. And that's it. Just might be, maybe just need the screw to get worn a little. There we go. Yeah, it was just tight from it being new. All right, you guys. Let's try the 4x4 again. There we go. Ta-da! Just let you see this. See that? See. And now I'm gonna put a 2x12 on there. Let you see how that will work out. Grab this one right here. There. So it can hold heavy weight, but if it can hold heavy weight on the arms them there, but it might not be that weight supposed to. It's supposed to just push against it, but because we don't have the saw here for it to rest on, I think it just needs to be rested against it like that. So that's how it's supposed to be. There we go. There we go. So I think it's a very good. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. Supposed to hold against here. Like that. And that side. Well, oh boy. So sorry about that. The screen fell. So basically, it's getting dark now. I got other little lights in here, but they're not gonna turn on until it gets real dark. So here we go, you guys. When I was looking on the internet to see if there's any of these on the internet, I didn't find any. So I decided to do this review so you guys can find one and see if this is what you want. I think it's worth the money, or more than worth the money compared to what they have out there. Because I really did my research trying to get something that's strong that would hold up my saw and my 2x4s and my 4x4s and my 2x12s, and plus the saw. And if I have to press on it, I guess me too. um, the only thing I didn't like about it, to be honest with you, I didn't like the wheels that they're so small. Um, I saw other saws out there with bigger wheels, and like this size wheel. See, it comes with these. Comes with these, But I saw other, I mean, not saw stands out there with bigger wheels, but they're very expensive. So if I can figure out how to get um, one of these, but a long one that will go through this wheel too and through those bars, I can make it bigger where I can take it outside and saw outside instead of having dust in here. I could just pull it outside the door here. Or if I have to go work on my chicken coop or my garden or build boards somewhere else or go to a property and um, use it over there, I can pull it through deep grass, bad um, bad ground with a bigger wheel. So basically, that's my input on the Miter Saw by Bauer. Okay, you guys. I hope you have a good day, and I think it's a good product. So I think you should buy it if you can get a good deal on it, like a good discount on it, even better. It's at Harbor Freight. Um, Lowe's do have some good stuff too, but they're very expensive. So if you got that kind of cash, you can, because I did see some real good stuff there too. And perhaps Home Depot have some. I didn't go there. I just shop online over there. But I didn't want to buy something online and then it comes here and it's not what I want. It's too small. I want something strong and sturdy. So I think I'm happy with what I purchased. I don't know. When I get the saw, I'll show you guys it on the saw. Have a good day, you guys. Have a blessed day. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. Bye.